Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll use a mantra to tap into loving kindness. We'll begin by gently directing it towards ourselves and then explore sending it out to our loved ones and our community. Lastly, we'll let loving kindness ripple out like a wave, offering it to all living beings. Find a comfortable position. As you sit on a chair or cushion, root down through your sitting bones and let your back gently straighten, reaching up through the crown of your head. Soften your shoulders. Relax your neck. Release tension in your face, easing any gripping around your jaw, your eyes, your forehead. And if you haven't yet, let your eyes gently close. And now, turn your awareness to your breath. Let your inhales become longer and deeper. Find length all the way to the end of your exhales. Nice deep inhales. Slow, steady exhales. And now, allow your breath to return to a natural rhythm, letting go of any control over your inhales and exhales. Just soft, easy breaths in and out. Now we'll begin to explore the practice of loving kindness. In Pali, loving kindness is known as Metta, and it is used to open our hearts. Through Metta, we learn to be gentle and loving towards ourselves so that we can authentically offer that kindness out into the world around us. Metta is meant to be a simple yet heartfelt practice. We just recite some phrases of loving kindness, feeling into the words with friendliness. If you're new to this practice, it can feel challenging to direct Metta towards yourself. But this is precisely why we start there. Though it might feel easier to direct loving kindness outward, in the long run, this can leave us depleted. But as we learn to care for ourselves as we would for a loved one, we are building our capacity to hold loving kindness for everyone. So let's begin. Silently repeat the following phrases, directing them towards your own self with kindness and ease. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be safe. May I be at peace. As you repeat these words, offer them to yourself as authentically as you can. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be safe. May I be at peace. With tenderness, feel how these words land in your body. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be safe. May I be at peace. And let's repeat them one more time, savoring each word as we slow it down. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be safe. May I be at peace. And for the next few moments, just rest in this sense of loving kindness. And now, as you keep holding yourself with friendliness, bring to mind someone in your life that brings you joy. Don't overthink this, just hold this person in your heart. And we'll begin the practice of Metta once more, offering the phrases to this person. May you be happy. May you be well. May you be safe. May you be at peace. As you repeat these words, offer them with friendliness and appreciation. May you be happy. May you be well. May you be safe. May you be at peace. May you be happy. May you be well. May you be safe. May you be at peace. And once more, allow these words to dissolve and return to your breath, just feeling into your experience. As we return again to the phrases of loving kindness, imagine them reaching out into your community. Offer metta out to your family, your loved ones, your friends, and beyond that, to the people you regularly interact with when you run errands, go to work, or simply walk about in your community. This time, as you offer loving kindness out to others, see if you can also hold yourself as a recipient. May we be happy. May we be well. May we be safe. May we be at peace. May we be happy. May we be well. May we be safe. May we be at peace. With softness and ease, may we be happy. May we be well. May we be safe. May we be at peace. And again, gently let go of the words and return to your breath. Take a few moments to notice how you feel. Be gentle with yourself. Without judgment, just allow space for whatever you're feeling. All sensations, emotions, or thoughts are normal. If you're feeling overwhelmed, just focus your attention on your breath moving in and moving out. Be patient and kind with yourself. This practice can take time to develop. As we return to our loving kindness phrases once more, we'll direct them out to all beings. If it's helpful, you can imagine these words like a wave starting with you and rippling out in a circle in all directions. The words reach out into your city, into your country, and beyond the borders as they spread out into the world. And if this is too much, just return to offering metta to your own self. Know that focusing on yourself is already more than enough. May all beings be happy. May all beings be well. May all beings be safe. May all beings be at peace. May all beings be happy. May all beings be well. May all beings be safe. May all beings be at peace. May all beings be happy. May all beings be well. May all beings be safe. May all beings be at peace. Now, releasing the words completely, take a few moments to observe your experience just as it is. Notice how your body feels. Notice your heart. And your state of mind. And for the next few moments, stay with your breath and rest in your experience. Now take a deep inhale and a full exhale. And become aware of your body in space. Start to wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Bring a sense of loving kindness into the rest of your day. And let's meet back here soon.